Can diamond testers tell the difference between lab-grown diamonds and natural diamonds? If there is no difference between lab-grown diamond and natural diamond, how can diamond testers tell the difference? If I buy a lab diamond, will I be exposed and humiliated as a fake? Stop crying, peasant. Daddy's about to drop some knowledge. You guys just won't stop with the questions about diamond testers. It's like you're afraid of being exposed or something. If I was your therapist, I would say you have some sort of deep-rooted imposter syndrome. But I'm not. So I'll keep silent and continue exposing your jewels for what they really are. So let's begin. If you've seen my videos, I have told you countless times that lab diamonds and natural diamonds are chemically and physically the same thing. But then, in a recent video, I said there are testers which can detect the difference between lab and natural. The dummies were fine with this contradiction, but some of you started using your logic, and now you want to know how some diamond testers are able to detect the difference between the two, if there is no difference. Well, let's go down another rabbit hole of diamond knowledge that will never actually satiate your curiosity because, in the end, shiny rocks don't lead to fulfillment. Anyway, all natural diamonds are split into two types, Type 1 and Type 2. The difference between these two is just that Type 1 contains nitrogen as their main impurity and Type 2 does not. How does this translate to jewelry use and the appearance of the diamond? It doesn't. This stuff cannot be seen with the naked eye, or for that matter, even by a jeweler's magnification loupe. It can only be tested through a proper lab-grown diamond tester, or in other words, synthetic diamond tester. Now, in natural diamonds, the overwhelming majority, about 98%, are Type 1, and just about 2% are Type 2A diamonds. Don't worry about the A and 2A, it will just lead to even more useless knowledge. So put a leash on your curiosity, peasant. You know what they say about curiosity. It kills. Now, here is the main point. All lab-grown diamonds are Type 2A, and lab diamond testers are able to detect whether a diamond is Type 1 or Type 2. And so it simply assumes that whatever tests as a Type 2A is a lab-grown diamond, even though it could just be the very rare type of 2A natural diamond. So what happens if you buy the rare type 2A natural diamond? You guessed it, it tests as a lab diamond on these testers, and you are pretty much screwed, unless you send it to be certified by GIA as a natural type 2A, and then proceed to walk around with that cert stapled to your forehead for validation. And that, my friends, is how these testers tell the difference. The fact that even the best diamond testers are using this flawed technique to differentiate and detect lab-grown diamonds from natural diamonds should tell you that, like Daddy told you, they are the same thing. Oh, and next time you decide to use your logic, how about you use it on a worthy cause instead of shiny rocks? BlingCognito out. You know, the first time I ever sold jewelry, I could barely look over the showcase. And now, when I sleep at night, the showcase haunts me in my dreams.